And that's why actually a lot of scan cards and stuff are all in military time. Because people, not because the computer can't figure it out, because computers are great at math, but because people kept arguing that the times are wrong, and so then they had to make it really clear cut. Did you guys get 9 hours for this? Okay. All right. Actually, let's change this. Change that to 8 hours, 15 minutes. And this one is 9 hours. Otherwise, it looks like a time, and I don't like that. So this says 8 hours and 15 minutes. And this one says 9 hours. I know. My apologies. It looks messed up. All right, now we're going to jump down to 16. So go with me. All right, use the information to complete the timesheet below. Rob worked 6 hours on Monday, 5.5 hours on Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to start recording this stuff down here. 6 hours on Monday. On Tuesday, which was 113. In fact, I'm just going to write out the whole week right now. Wednesday was 114. Thursday is 115. And Friday is 116. Says that he worked 5.5 hours on Tuesday. Do you guys like using fractions? No? Does everybody like decimals better in here? Should we switch it over to decimals? All right, we're going to switch it over to decimals. So instead of 5.5, write 5.5. You can have it as, feel free to have it as fractions if you like. Or would you prefer to do it 5 hours, 30 minutes? No, you like 5.5? Okay. How about Wednesday? 4.25. What should I write for that one then? 4.25. Hey, what if you didn't know that a quarter was 0.25? What could you do on a calculator to figure that out? What? Divide 1 divided by 4. Probably going to want a calculator in just a second here. Go ahead and get one. Looks like 13's back today. I don't even know who had it. Maybe it went on vacation. Thursday was 7.5. Friday was 4.75. How do I write 4.75? 4.75. Okay, so now in your calculator, you're going to take 6 plus 5.5 plus 4.25 plus 7.5 plus 4.75. You guys get 28? Make sure yours looks like mine. 6 plus 5.5 plus 4.25 plus 7.5 plus 4.75. Okay, I'm going to go up here and write how many total hours did Rob work? 28 hours. If Rob is paid $8.75 an hour, how much did he earn? 28 times 8.75. You guys get $245? Okay. Flip to the back side. Now, this is more of a stamped time card. Do you see how it says exactly what times people came in? So we're going to figure this out together, and I think it's easiest if you follow my lead on this, so stay with me. They are, again, rounding down to the nearest quarter of an hour. So 8:10 goes down to 8. 4:06 goes to 4. 7:55 is 7:45. This one, even though it's almost 3 o'clock, it's still 2:45. This one's 8:15. 4:15, you guys see what I'm doing? You finish out the list and then look up and check if you've got it right. Now, it is too much to do in your head at once to try to add all of these hours together, so here's what I suggest. Everybody look up. How many hours on Monday from 8 to 4? 8? Okay, so I'm going to put 8 next to Monday over here. Don't try to do this all at once in your head. 7:45 to 2:45. That's 7 hours. You can also go, remember, 8:45, 9:45, 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, etc. But the next one, 8:15 to 4:15. That's another 8 hours. 7:45 to 4:45. 9 hours. This one's not nice and neat. 8:45 to 12:30. What'd you say? 3 hours, 45 minutes. 3.75, we'll write. Then we have to add those up. What'd you get?